So hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'll describe the features of LinkedIn Premium. So I'll describe all the features which you will get after buying the LinkedIn Premium, and should you buy the LinkedIn Premium or not, is it really worth it? And also along with that I will describe like what are the features LinkedIn provide in order to get a new job, or is it really useful in real life. So recently I bought a LinkedIn Premium for 2 months. So I'll share my screen and I will describe like what are the features you will get after buying the LinkedIn Premium. So let's go to my LinkedIn profile. So I came here in my LinkedIn profile, and if I click on this my profile button, you can see it is showing that premium features button. Now let me click here. Now I came to that premium features page. It will show all the premium features which I will get after buying this LinkedIn Premium subscription. So it is a premium business subscription. So I've got a link from one of my friend. So it is free for 2 months. Just you have to use one debit card and it will cut 2 rupees and it will refund it. But you have to cancel that subscription before the 2 months will end. Otherwise, it will cut the charge at 2500 per month. So if you need the link, you can just write in the comment. I will share the referral link. Okay, so now let's discuss the features which LinkedIn will provide you. So first of all, you can see this in-mail credits available. So what is in-mail? Let me show you. Like if you search anyone, let me show you. If you search from Microsoft, if you go to the people, so as you can see, uh, this person is not a connection with me, but I can send a message to him in this way, and this is called an in-mail message. So in-mail messages helps us to send message to unknown, like the persons who are not your first or second degree connections. So it is really useful to send a message to the recruiters that I'm looking for a new job, or you can like send any message to anyone whom you are not connected with. Also let me show you another premium features. So the another premium features is you can see like who's viewed your profile in the last like 24 hours or last month. You can see that, so you can just click on that and it will show you like who has viewed your profile in the last year. Like you can see these persons have already viewed my profile. So another is you can use the LinkedIn learning section to gain new skills, or you can level up yourselves for your existing skill sets. So you can use the video clips also. Let me show you. uh, and these videos are really like very interactive and very informative videos, and it is splitted in short sessions. So it is very useful to like improve your skill sets or learn a new skill. Now another thing is that you will get to know the company insights. So let me click on that, and if you search with the company name, let me show you. If I click on Apple and if I click on this insights button, then you can see like what are the new hires, what are the headcount growth in Apple. Like you can see engineering, it is increased by 11% in last 6 months, and in 1 year it is increased by 19%. This information will help you getting the insights about the company, like how it is growing and how the hiring is going on in that company. So this is very helpful for me. So another feature is stay private while viewing other profiles. So previously I have shown you that if someone has viewed my profile, then I can just click on here and I can see like who has viewed my profile. But if I see someone else profile, for example if I see Akram's profile, then it will not show him that I have also seen his profile. The notification will not go to him. Got it? Even if you see it in private mode, there is a setting in privacy where you can turn on this private mode. You can just click on this visibility button and click on profile viewing options, and you can turn on that private mode. You will be in complete private mode, so no one will able to see like who are you like you are viewing their profile. Next one is open profile. So this open profile, what it does is if you turn it on, just toggle it here and it will turn on. So if you turn it on, then any person, like any recruiter, will be able to reach out to you without any problem. And your profile will be an open profile, so that like anyone can reach out to you, anyone can like send you a message. So that is very useful when you are searching for a job and any recruiter, if they want, they can reach out to you. Now another is premium tips. You can turn it on if you want to get any tips from LinkedIn Premium, how to use it, then you can turn it on. Otherwise you can turn it off. I have turned it on already. Now another good option is that job smarter with top applicants recommendations. So what top applicant recommendation is, if I like click on this see all jobs, then it will show me all those jobs where I am a like top performer, or I'm a top applicant. Like if I apply for those jobs, then my chances of getting selected will be higher. Okay. Another is you can see the applicants insights also, and this is the very useful feature if you are looking for a new job and you are applying on LinkedIn. Like you can see it is showing a premium tip. It is showing that message the job posted directly. Also some other option it is showing, it will also show where you will be a top applicant. So this is also very helpful. And if you click on this job right here, then it will show you that the details about the applicants. Like you can see that 76% have a bachelor's degree, 90% have a master's degree, 4% have a MBA. These things it will show like what are the applicant details and all. Now the another thing is you can show your premium badge, that is the golden badge, which will show in your profile. This golden badge you can show. So it is up to you, you can show this will show the recruiters and other persons that you are seriously looking for a job and you are very serious about your getting a new job. So this is also very helpful. You can prepare for an interview. There is also some courses out there that you will get with LinkedIn Premium. It is also a good thing that it provides the resume insights. So if you just click on this, so there is a video section, but let me show you like what it actually does is you can just click on jobs. You'll get that here is a resume builder option, and you can just upload your resume here and it will show you what are the important keywords that you should must include in your resume, so that all the details it will show. So the last thing is find the right people with unlimited browsing. So in normal premium, in normal LinkedIn, what happens is if you search anyone with the search button in LinkedIn here, then it will only show the first and second degree connections. But if you search with that unlimited search, then it will show the first degree, second degree and third degree connection also, so that you will get a more reach, like you can reach out to more people when you are finding a job. Okay, so that are the common features that you will get after buying the LinkedIn Premium. And if you ask me, I'm really like it is really very helpful for me, as I'm urgently looking for a new job and I'm using LinkedIn Premium to searching for new jobs. And it is its recommendation is also very good. It's provide a good recommendation like which jobs I should apply and where I will be a top applicant, and the applicant insights are also very useful for me. So if you just need that, you can type in the comment box. I will provide you the referral link. Otherwise you can use the normal LinkedIn also. And if you need any more tips related to LinkedIn, then you can just comment down. I will share like how to use LinkedIn effectively and how to increase your followers and how to get a new job using LinkedIn. Those features I can share you. So thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.